for our next pattern, both the man and the lady's turn. So we start with a basic, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Now the idea with the lead is all I'm doing is I'm releasing the lady's hand, pushing it forward a little bit, 2, 3, and here I can either connect and do the same thing, or it's just a visual follow. She'll just see what I'm doing, and then she'll follow. So we step basic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We both turn, 1, 2, 3, and we can turn back, 2, 3, and kick her back up. 1, 2, 3.